A snow day! I'm wearing a t-shirt! It's snow weather! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh, it's cold! It's freaking cold! Snow angel! It's snowy weather with a t-shirt! Ah, it's so cold! Why does it... Yay, a snow day! Ooh, snow angel.
I can't feel my toes. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm gonna keep doing it.
Simon, what are you doing?
Playing in the snow.
But isn't it freezing?
It is freezing. I guess my naive self just, I don't know, thinks it's warm. Ah! It's so cold!
But isn't it fun?
Yeah, it is!
You know what else is fun?
What?
This!
Yeah, that is fun!
Simon, why are we doing this?
I don't know, Connor. Why are we doing this?
I don't know, Simon. Let's just go home.
Ah! Quick, snow! I'm sinking! Ah! No! Nobody! Ah! I'm almost to my body! Help me! What are you doing? I'm scared! I don't know what to do! Hold on, buddy! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!